welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is another one of the bonus ones that you could opt into, and this is the Feel Good Beauty Box. Now, there's not too many terribly items in it, but of the ones that are there, they're pretty cool, so open it up. And first up is the Josie Moran Argan Beta Retinoid Pink Algae Serum with 2% pro-retinol and quercetin. So that seems like it's probably a really spendy item. Visibly improves wrinkles, fine lines, and signs of UV damage without redness, flakiness, or dryness. Beta retinoid complex delivers accelerated results within 24 hours, not 12. And argan oil repairs skin's moisture barrier for radiant, smoother looking skin. Morning or night, apply 3 to 4 drops to the face and neck, follow with a moisturizer and oil, and always use a broad spectrum sunscreen. Pretty cool. We also have from Briogeo the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Again, I don't think this is full size, but I mean, I've got a couple of them kicking around, so between them, I've got plenty to go around. So, don't mind having more of that. This I think I have a little sample of too from elsewhere, probably also from Allure. It's the Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream with, what is that? With TFC8? I have no idea. And that is far too teeny tiny of writing to actually read. Like, even with my glasses on, I'm like, I can't read that. It's not happening. There's also these itty bitty little hair coils you need right now. Water resistant, avoids hair breakage for all hair types. It's by Kitsch, or mykitsch.com. Let's pull one out. Ooh, okay, so they're not like the hard plastic ones. This is actually, okay, they're kind of like that jelly-ish type of texture. Ooh, alright. I mean, they don't open real wide, but like, my hair isn't that thick anymore. So, I mean, probably get my hair into one of these. Let's try it. Why not? I don't know if we're supposed to be twisting them or not, but I am. Hopefully I'm not breaking it. Okay. It's pretty comfy. It doesn't feel like it's pulling or anything. Feels very snug in place. It is in no way, shape, or form moving, so... Oh, I should try and do... Ooh, okay, pulling it back out is a little rough, but I wonder if I could do a bun with that, 'cause my hair almost never stays in a bun unless I bobby pin the ever-living hell out of it. Let me, just for shits and giggles, try and see if it'll stay in a bun with one of these. 'Cause curiosity must be satisfied. Nope, it's already kind of falling into a messy bun. Alright, alright. Yeah, it didn't... Not really. It's, like I said, it's a messy bun, so okay. Well, we tried. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, let's not try that again, but... I'll play more with these on my own time, but still, kind of cool, although definitely already stretched out of shape from my freaking hair. Alright, but there's 4 of them, so I could do smaller sections, I suppose. Then, of course, what I'm most excited for, because of my beloved Pixie Skin Treats, we have the Rose Tonic Rose and Elderflower Nourishing Toner. Always, always, always love this stuff, so very happy that was in here. That, honestly, I'll be real with you, most of why I bought this box is just so I could get that. Then from a brand called Bala, these are 5 resistance bands in 5 levels of resistance with 100% natural latex. Increase strength and flexibility one movement at a time with Bala bands. Designed for yoga, aerobics, Pilates, home workouts, core training, and rehabilitation. I'll have to look up how to use them, because I think the only time I ever used resistance bands in my life was in PE in 8th grade, and our PE teacher had us, like, put them around our ankles and, like, monster walk, I think he called it, across the entire gym yard, whatever you call it. Yeah, so I'm sure there are better ways of using these than that, and these probably aren't even meant for that. Oh, these are a lot thinner than those, too. I'm not really sure what you do with them, so I'm definitely going to look it up, because I want to make use of them. Oh, wow. Yeah, that just feels like a latex glove, alright. So this is resistance level 1. Ooh, it smells just like a balloon! Of course it does, it's latex. But still, alright. I mean, even just kind of going like this, I'm feeling it up in here. So, I mean, you know, even without knowing, like, the proper way to do it, probably could get some kind of workout, even if I just, like, hold it. Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Maybe. Because I'm like, ooh, I feel it up in the... Ooh, okay. Alright. I see you. So that very well could be a thing. But yeah, I'll definitely look into how they're actually supposed to be used instead of my derpily just playing with them, because I'm sure that there's probably a ton of ways to use them. I just don't know what they are yet. But I'm gonna learn, so... Okay, let's try and see if I can get it back in there. I probably can't, but I'm gonna try. At least for now. Oh, it is a hot mess. Oops. Well, it didn't mess it up or anything, it's just messy is all, so... Probably nicer than it's gonna look when I have them out of these plastic things and just jammed into this little mesh pouch, but too freaking bad, isn't it? So, let's just stick that in here for now. And then, I think there's only one more item. Oh, no, wait. I take that back. By the way, everything in here apparently has a $204 value, which is in-frigging-sane. So, Inked by Danny, we have temporary nail art tattoos. And there's a lot of cute ones here. Check those out. Hand-drawn, cruelty-free, and waterproof. There's 95 of them. Okay. I like it. So there's those. There's these LaRouche brushes, I'm assuming. Vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and synthetic. The only way to get in there is to tear it, sadly. So there is no keeping it nice and neat until I'm ready to use them. We literally have to just tear in. Yep, we got 3, so we have a spoolie. Let's see here, are we labeled? Yeah, this is a lash and brow spoolie, so I appreciate that it does mention lash instead of just brow like they usually do. We have a small angled brush, and we have a concealer brush, so okay. Brushes are always cool by me. I can always use brushes. And now the actual final item in here is by Attitude. Yes, with an E. Attitude. And I think it's a sleep mask. Attitude. Soft on your skin, gentle on our planet. Silky soft, cooling, breathable, made from 100% organic bamboo, hypoallergenic. Try any bedding, risk-free for 30 nights. Oh, they do bedding too, but I don't have, or I mean, because I have eyeliner on right now, I'm not gonna stick this on my eyes, but that does feel really nice. Gonna tell ya. It's very stretchy, so it shouldn't be too tight or anything like some of them honestly are, so, okay, I have a nice little sleep mask. Cooly. So yeah, this is not a bad little box to have invested in. It didn't seem like much when I first ordered it, to be totally real with you. But now that I have it, I'm like, actually, I think I'm more impressed with it now than I was when I ordered it, which is saying something. So I'm gonna just put everything back in for the moment, but Yeah, it's a good little haul there. Just saying. I think this one is still available as of the time of filming this. I don't know for how long, but for right now anyway. I'm pretty sure they still have this one up. But yeah, so anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.